But you see, it's all about how quickly we can get it right, then we'll move a little faster. Okay, so get your body to feel like it's alive, the legs juicy. Okay, your hands a little bit further back, just a little bit. Okay, now when you go to chturanga, take the body a little bit forward, and you're going to keep, vislamala, like that. Yes, so we're keeping the shoulder.